When it comes to protecting our defenses, the immune system has the best intentions. But environmental factors like pollen and other seasonal challenges can test those defenses. To help you and your clients be ready to pass those tests, Life Extension has created FLORASSIST Immune and Nasal Defense. This once-daily, gluten-free, and non-GMO formulation promotes healthy immune cell activity, helps maintain comfortable nasal airflow, and encourages production of the important antibody IgA. We started with a special form of brewer's yeast. Independent studies show that it promotes two essential parts of our body's immune defenses, IgA and killer cell activity markers. We also added a special probiotic strain isolated from goat's milk that is shown to help encourage a healthy immune response in clinical studies. Show your clients how they can get the same amount of both of these clinically studied ingredients in one single capsule. Share FLORASSIST Immune and Nasal Defense from Life Extension and help them encourage their healthy immune response.